This is the elevator at the Ramada Plaza Hotel in Niagara Falls, Ontario. And this is an Otis Series 1 older model from 1983. Your door equipment. Okay. One. Got a cap you on the way down. Capacity is 1134 kilograms. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? High. Go to 4. There's a phone in there and you can't get it opened. This is an okay elevator, not the best. It runs well going down, but going up it makes a lot of noise. Ceiling. I'm not going to film the main elevators because they're very busy right now, but we're going to go to 3 so we can go to the walkway. There's your key switches. Your 3. Watch the level. It classic levels. There's a door track. There it goes. And that is it.